Step off the bike.
Can I help you? I'm on my way to work right here at the recycling center. Can I help you?
It's
Real
because it
quick?
looks like you have a gun inside your pocket.
Oh, no.
You need a bike, or you need brakes on the bike also.
Serio?
Yeah, just hop off really quick, man. We'll get you out of here.
But, bro, I've been riding like this shit all night.
You need brakes, bro. Just
All
hop out really
night.
quick. We'll get you out of here.
Look, I'm going right there. You guys can come with me?
Step off the bike, please.
Yes, sir.
And then face away.
Yes, sir.
Back.
Shit! Fuck! Shit! Shots fired, officer needs help.
George 2246 on 1. 39th place in West. Hey, you need a bike, or you need brakes on the bike also.
Serio?
Yeah, just hop off really quick, man. We'll get you out of here.
But, bro, I've been riding like this shit all night.
You need brakes, bro. Just
All
hop out really
night.
quick. We'll get you out of here.
Look, I'm going right there. You
Step
guys
off
can
the
come
bike,
with me?
please. Step off the bike, please.
Yes, sir.
And then face away. Put
Yes,
your
sir.
hands back. He's gonna talk to you. Okay? I got it. George. Oh shit! Shots fired! Shots fired! Officer needs help! Shots fired! Officer needs help! Suspect's running southbound. He's shooting at us.
Officer needs help 39 Space and Western, shots fired in here. Unit coming on Southwest Region.
I'm gonna fucking shoot you! I'm gonna fucking shoot you, dude! Male Hispanic running southbound. Hey, right here. I'm gonna fucking shoot you, dude! Get the hell down! I got it. Get your hands out! Oh God!
Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Sepulveda to a local hospital to be treated for multiple abrasions he sustained while being taken into custody. Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and also transported the injured officer to a local hospital to be treated for gunshot wounds he sustained during the officer-involved shooting. The officer is expected to make a full